I'm going on a cruise. I'm going to tell you all about it. Welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising channel. My name is Ike Stevens, and I'm going on a cruise, and I want to tell you all about it. I've hinted at it, talked about it in the last couple of videos and stuff, but now I want to talk about when and where and how and all that. So as you can see in the title, Carnival Glory out of New Orleans for Thanksgiving. That's right, Thanksgiving 2021. Why the Glory? Why get on this ship? Why not go out of Galveston? I've been out of New Orleans so many times. And I have two booked out of Galveston. Those are the ones that have been pushed back. We were supposed to do it a back-to-back cruise this year, and that one got pushed back. Talking about the cruising starting, and we were really excited. We had already pushed back our current cruises to 2022. It's like, man, we really want to go on one this year. And we were talking about maybe booking a 4 or 5 day cruise on the breeze for this July. That's what we were talking about doing. But it was like, well, why don't we wait until maybe it kind of starts to get in a routine and everything kind of gets back to normal, and then work out all the bugs and everything. And what better time than going on Thanksgiving? Now, we've done a Thanksgiving cruise before, and it was fun. It was probably one of my most memorable cruises because we had the whole family with us, and it was just a fun time. That was our second cruise. So we knew, we went on our first cruise not knowing what's going on, all right? And we figured it out by the end of the cruise, but by then it was the end of the cruise. And then, so our second cruise, well, we kind of knew what was going on. We watched a lot of videos and stuff like that. And so, we had a blast. Had the whole family with us. We were looking at the Vista and, out of Galveston, and just the prices, and the rooms were already taken, the ones that we wanted. And because it was so close, and it's a popular ship, popular port, and things of that nature. So we were looking around and looked at the Glory, and it was quite a bit cheaper. There was still a lot of rooms left. So we went ahead and booked Thanksgiving this year out of New Orleans on the Glory. Now, I understand New Orleans is kind of always flown under the radar. It's not a popular cruise port. And I don't know why. It's very underrated because it's so fun to go down to Mississippi. It just really is. There's just nothing like it. It's like, not like the other cruise ports where you're just like, boom, you're out at sea. It's like, no, you're going to be on that river for at least 8 hours. Yeah, I think it's like 8 hours, and it's real neat, and it's kind of eerie. It's kind of, it's kind of fun. Never been on the Glory. It's an older ship. So I'm looking forward to doing that, and it's going to be a good deal. And hopefully you guys that are going to be on that ship, maybe you found this channel because you're going to be on that same ship. Reach, if you see me, say hi. I've got a lot of videos that I've done before on here. I do, like music videos, and with cruise content. Now this year, and after this, we'll be doing a lot of different type of videos for cruising. Now, I'll still be doing the whole music and putting all that over there because I really enjoy that. But I've got a lot more time on my hands, and I want to do more edited videos. I want to do a lot more stuff. Now, my wife is, she doesn't like being on the camera. She doesn't like being on camera at all. So the thing that we're going to do different this year is she's going to hold the camera for me a lot of times. And I'll still be doing a lot of recording myself. But what's different about that is I don't mind being on camera. I've been on camera for over 10 years. And I'm used to this. I don't mind it. And I want to do more like, food testing and stuff like that. Just more like, hey, what are we doing? That's one of the things I've never hardly really got to do on a cruise ship is sit there and narrate. Like, hey, that's what we're doing. Actual vlog. So she's going to be holding the camera for me, that way she didn't have to be on camera. And, I'll have my hands tied and I won't be looking like I'm taking a selfie all day long. So what I'm going to do between now and then, so this is the reason why you need to subscribe. I'm going to be covering the Carnival Glory. Like, when is New Orleans is going to start cruising? When is the Glory? What's a Glory? Like right now, it's like in dry dock, just getting a paint job. What's going to be happening? And I want to sit there and put that out there for you guys. And I also want to, maybe kind of tell you guys about what I'm doing on the cruise ship, things I got planned, as far as excursions goes and how I'm getting ready and things of that nature. Also, I have a Facebook group that I started up. It's called Blue Collar Cruising. It's for people like you and me, the working man or woman, what have you. Or have some fun and do all that kind of stuff. And until then, I appreciate you guys watching. I can't wait to go cruising again. I'm seeing people cruising right now out of the Bahamas, and I'm so jealous. So jealous. I'm so happy for them, too, to have fun. It's about time. Now we need to get cruising out of America, right here, out of the USA, and fix Canada, and all that kind of stuff. That way, our Canadian friends can go cruising. Hopefully you guys have a good day, and subscribe to the channel. Hit like and comment. Are you coming on this same cruise, or what cruises do you have booked? We'll holler at you guys later. 73.